Have you ever lost faith in humanity so deeply that you believed kindness no longer exists? Jonathan Reeves did. Until one day, a poor shoeshine boy changed his heart forever. In a small American town, where no one really noticed the quiet boy with the worn shoeshine box, 12-year-old Eli Turner showed up before sunrise every day to work at the bus terminal. His father had passed away the previous winter. His mother worked 2 exhausting shifts to keep the lights on. His little sister needed medicine. Life didn't give them choices, it gave them challenges. Eli didn't complain, he just worked. And somehow, despite everything, he carried himself with quiet pride. That afternoon, while packing up after polishing a man's shoes, Eli noticed something under the bench. A sleek, black wallet, thick and heavy. He looked around. No one seemed to be searching for it. With trembling hands, he opened it. $100 bills, dozens of them, credit cards, ID, and a business card that read, Jonathan Reeves, Senior Investment Partner. Eli froze. His thoughts raced. That money could buy food, medicine, rent, a new pair of shoes to replace the ones with holes. It could fix so many things, maybe everything. But then, in the back of his mind, he heard his mother's voice. God doesn't measure what you hold in your hands, Eli. He measures what you choose when no one's watching. Eli took a deep breath, closed the wallet, and walked straight to the nearest police station. About 30 minutes later, a tall man in a grey suit burst through the door, panic on his face. It was Jonathan Reeves. When the officer handed him the wallet, Jonathan's shoulders dropped in relief. But when he saw the skinny boy standing quietly in the corner, something in his face changed. You opened it? He asked gently. Eli nodded. Yes, sir, I had to find your name. You didn't take anything? No, sir, it wasn't mine. Jonathan looked at him for a long time, then slowly pulled out a crisp $100 bill. You deserve this, he said. But Eli shook his head. I didn't do it for a reward. Jonathan paused. Then, instead of insisting, he put the money away and handed Eli his card. Keep this. When you turn 18, call me. No matter where you are or what your grades are, I'll give you a job, a good one. Eli took the card with both hands, as if it were made of glass. Jonathan turned to leave, but then stopped at the door. He looked back and said quietly, You didn't just return my wallet, Eli. You gave me something I thought I'd lost forever, faith in people. Eli walked home with empty pockets, but a full heart. His shoes were still torn, the bills still unpaid, but something inside him felt unshakably strong. He didn't know what the future held, but he knew one thing. That day, he didn't choose what was easy. He chose what was right. And sometimes doing the right thing doesn't buy you comfort, but it opens doors no amount of money ever could. In the Bible it says, What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? In Buddhist teachings, right action is not measured by what it costs, but by what it protects inside you. You can't always teach a child how to be good with words, but sometimes a child can teach the world what goodness truly looks like, with nothing more than one small, quiet choice.